The purpose of monitoring. Hydrology monitoring networks play crucial roles. 1. Assessment of water resources. Evaluate water quantity and quality over time to understand availability and impacts from environment or human activities. Tumutulong ito sa pag-assess ng dami at kalidad ng tubig sa isang particular area over time. Mahalaga rin ito para maunawaan yung availability and yung potential changes ng water due doon sa environmental factors or human activities. Number 2. Flood prediction and management. Monitor precipitation, river levels, and soil moisture for early flood warnings, improving preparedness and response. By monitoring precipitation, river levels, and soil moisture, nakakatulong siya sa early warning system para sa floods na pwedeng mangyari sa particular area. Nagbibigay rin ito ng mas better na preparedness sa mga tao and para laging aware yung mga tao sa lugar sa mga panganib ng floods na possible mangyari anytime. Number 3. Water quality management. Track pollutants in water bodies to ensure compliance with environmental standards and pinpoint pollution sources. So sa water quality management naman, gumagamit dito ng mga monitoring networks para matrack yung mga tracking pollutants and contaminants in water bodies. Importante and malaking help din ito to ensure your compliance sa environmental regulations and para mas mabilis ma-identify yung mga sources of pollutions. Number 4. Climate change impact studies. Analyze data on precipitation, snowmelt timing, and groundwater levels to assess climate change effects on water sources. Yung climate change impact studies naman is nagbibigay siya ng mga data or important information para ma-analyze or mapag-aralan yung epekto ng climate changes sa mga water resources such as yung shift in precipitation patterns, in snowmelt timing, and alterations sa groundwater levels. Number 5. Support for planning and decision making. Provide data for urban planning, agriculture, water supply management, and ecosystem conservation decisions. Ito naman yung mga data galing sa monitoring networks na nagbibigay ng information sa mga decision makers sa isang area or lugar such as urban planning, agriculture, water supply management, and ecosystem conservation. Number 6. Research and modeling. Essential for developing and validating models that simulate water flow, quality, and hydrological processes for forecasting and analysis. Dito naman pumapasok ang tinatawag na hydrological monitoring data. Mahalaga ito para sa pagde-develop at pagbabalidate ng mga models na nagsisimulate ng water flow, water quality, and ng hydrological processes. So yung mga models na ito ay ginagamit para sa forecasting and scenario analysis. So overall, yung purpose ng hydrology monitoring network is to provide accurate, timely data that supports sustainable management and use of water sources while also addressing yung environmental and societal needs ng isang area o lugar. Special considerations. Special considerations in hydrology include time and space variability. Understanding and accounting for variability in hydrological processes across time and space is crucial for accurate assessment and water resource management. Hydrological processes exhibit significant variability across both time and space. Time variability refers to changes in hydrological conditions over different time scales, such as daily, seasonal, or annual fluctuation in precipitation, stream flow, and groundwater levels. Spatial variability characteristic across geographical areas influenced by factors like topography, land use, and soil type. Understanding and accounting for this variation are crucial for accurate hydrological assessment and water resources management. Data requirements. High quality, diverse dataset are essential for accurate hydrological studies, including meteorological and hydrological data. Hydrological studies require diverse dataset to effectively characterize water resources and processes. These data include meteorological data, example, rainfall temperature. Hydrological data, example, stream flow, groundwater levels, and data on land use, soil properties, and vegetation cover. High quality and consistent data collection is essential for developing reliable hydrological models, conducting impact assessment, and making informed decisions related to water management and conservation. Quality control and quality assurance. These are essential for maintaining accurate, reliable hydrological data, integrity and credibility in studies and decision making. Ensuring the accuracy, reliability, and consistency of hydrological data is fundamental for maintaining the integrity of studies and decisions based on them. Quality control involves systematic procedures to detect and correct errors or inconsistencies in data collections, processing, and storage. Quality assurance encompasses protocols and standards to ensure that the data collection method, instrument, and analytical technique meet established criteria for accuracy, precision, and reliability. Rigorous quality control and assurance practices enhance the credibility of hydrological studies and improve the reliability of results used for water resource planning and management. These considerations highlight the complexity and importance of effectively managing and interpreting hydrological data to support sustainable water resource management and address environmental challenges.
Use of computers in monitoring. Rapid advancement in microcomputers have significantly enhanced automated hydrologic and water quality data collection. Microcomputers, equipped with analog to digital converters, sensors, and software, serve as versatile and cost-effective flow metering and data acquisition system. Custom-designed computer systems often outperform and are more affordable than commercial hardware, efficiently converting, storing, and communicating data. This makes them integral to modern hydrologic monitoring. In enhancing the monitoring of hydrologic and water quality data, here's a breakdown of the key points. First is technological advancement. Due to advancement in technology, especially with affordable microcomputers, there has been a notable increase in opportunities for automating and collection of hydrologic and water quality data. Next is application and monitoring systems. Microcomputers are utilized alongside analog to digital converters and sensors. In hydrologic monitoring system, these systems function as flow metering and data acquisition system. Next is versatility and cost of effectiveness. These computer systems are highly versatile, allowing for custom designs tailored to specific data acquisition needs. They are often more cost-effective compared to other commercially available hardware systems designed for similar purposes. Hydrological meteorological networks are sophisticated systems designed to provide real-time data essential for various purposes, such as hydropower scheduling, irrigation management, hydrologic modeling, reservoir management, water allocation, stream flow prediction, pollutant tracking, and environmental regulation enforcement. These networks monitor a range of features including physiographic, climatic, hydrologic, biological, and chemical aspects across a region or river basin. Key characteristics of these networks include: first is data collection and interpolation. They are equipped with sufficient gauge, density, and distribution to collect data at multiple sites, enabling accurate interpolation across the network. This ensures reliable conclusion can be drawn for the entire covered area. Next is measured variable. Typical variables monitored include precipitation, solar radiation, temperature, humidity, barometric pressure, snow depth, soil moisture, wind speed, stream flow, and water quality. This comprehensive dataset supports detailed analysis and forecasting. Last is design consideration. Each network's design is tailored to the specific spatial and temporal variability to the local condition being monitored. Aligned closely with the objectives of the monitoring program, factors such as basin-specific climate patterns are crucially considered in network design. In essence, hydrological meteorological networks play a critical role in providing the data necessary for effective water resource management, environmental protection, and informed decision making across diverse applications in hydrology and meteorology.